Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2018 Nissan Murano SV all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 1-speed CVT transmission. This guy's in white. It looks great. You got that Nissan badging up front there with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have, they're a little bit snowy, but they are Continental brand tires with our 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors there with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have the Murano badging, the Nissan and the SV all-wheel drive. You can open it up just right here. Will open up automatically for us, just like that. Looks great. It is very spacious back here. You can fold those seats forward if you did need, and you can open this guy up and you have your spare tire under there in case you did ever need it. As well, your jack is just right underneath here, and then you can close it back up just with that button right there. Got our keys here, we got our unlock, we have our lock, we do have our remote start and our panic there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here. Very spacious and very comfortable seats as well. They are electric, so you got backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we got the in-cabin light control with our trip button. We have our heated steering wheel, our traction control, and that one opens up the back. And then we do have our controls here over the hood and the gas tank. And then up here we do have the controls of our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights and high beams and turning signals. Let's start her up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 18,000, not too bad at all. Also tells us the temperature outside and the channel. Now it does also say our kilometers and which way we're facing, but we can switch that around to our settings, our warnings, tire pressure, driving aids. We have our fuel economy, drive computer, which way we're facing, the FM and AM, and back to the home there. That is controlled from right here with your volume up and down the source button. That one does change the channels. And then you do also have your voice recognition and Bluetooth options here, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then we do have our controls over our windshield wipers. In the center we do have our touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your CD player up here with your menu right there, so you can see all the different things. You got your map and the brightness control, as well as your audio, your volume. You have your audio here, so you have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, your Bluetooth, USB, all those guys, aux cord. Phone options here if you have one hooked up. You have your info right here, your home, map, your navigation right over here, and your settings. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping us nice and safe. You got your camera button up there with the skip, back button, and the tune-in browser. Then down here we do have the dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your on and off, the power there, mode, front and rear defrost, AC, and circulation. You got your starter there, as well as you do have your aux cord and USB plug-in. You got your gear shift with some storage, cup holders, heated seats. You got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there. And then we do have our glove box right over here, tons and tons of room in there as well. And then up top you do have your controls over your lights, control over your sunroof, and your sunglass holder, and a dual pane sunroof, looking fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well, very spacious. You can fold this guy in the middle down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold the seats down with this guy here. Then you do have even more room. You do have a USB plug-in back here as well. Here's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2018 Nissan Murano SV. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George. Talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.